Hi, in this video let me show you how to connect your Epson ET-2803 EcoTank printer to your iPhone, and also how to print and how to get the scan results from here directly on your device using Wi-Fi. So step number one is to actually connect this printer to the same Wi-Fi network as your iPhone. Let me show you how it is done on this display. Next, we're going to press the right side arrow a few times until we get to Wi-Fi setup. Press OK. Select Wi-Fi recommended. Press OK. OK again. And now we need to select Wi-Fi setup wizard. Press OK. It will search for all the different Wi-Fi networks currently around your printer, and it will give you a list. Here's the list. Use the up and down arrow to navigate through all the networks. Select your Wi-Fi network, and once yours is highlighted, if you do not see your Wi-Fi network, you can press this button right over here so that the printer starts searching again. Select your Wi-Fi network. Once it's highlighted in orange, press OK. And now it's time to type the password of that network. If your password has some symbols, you're going to go down over here, press OK. And you can switch to symbols, numbers, capital letters, and others. So I'll go ahead and type my password. Now go down and select OK, and then press OK over here. Wait a few seconds. You will get this confirmation message, setup complete. Next, on your iPhone, you need to go on the App Store and search for the Epson Smart Panel app. This is the app that is compatible with this model. So go ahead, download it, and once you open it, usually it will start searching for a new printer right away. If it doesn't do that, and it brings you to the main menu, well, you can click the top right corner button here, the one with a printer and a plus sign, so it starts searching. Here I'll press no, and once you get to this page, you're going to select connect to a product already on Wi-Fi. And just like that, you're going to get a list, and in this list you should find your printer. Ours is the ET-2803. It's part of the ET-2800 series printer. So I'll select my printer by tapping on it. It is connected. Press OK. Honestly, it's so easy comparing to other brands. I find that Epson is quite quick. And if there is an update available for your printer, it will be presented to you, and you can press start to install it right away or cancel if you want to do this later. On the top here, you're going to see your printer and the ink levels. Very easy to see in case you're not close to your printer to take a look. And we're going to have all the different features of this app. Now, this app is looking this way because when I set it up for the first time, I have selected tiles, because the app can can have two different designs, and I find the tiles design to be easier to understand. So we have print, scan, and other features. Honestly, you will mostly only use the first two ones. So let me show you how to print. Select print. Select if it's a picture that is on your iPhone or maybe a document like a PDF. And at the second step, you'll have to select the document. So I have picked a document that was on my iPhone. And now to print it, you can obviously simply press the print button and it will start. But you can also change a few different settings. If you press the cogwheel here, you can change, first of all, the paper size. Make sure that's the one input, the media type, if you want borders or borderless, the print quality. If you're printing pictures, instead of standard, select high. You're going to notice a difference. But for any text document, don't bother with this. You will never notice. And then you can have over here, if you want to print in color or in black and white. and how many copies you want to print. I'll extend my paper output. I'll press done, and now I'll press the print button. Perfect, we got our printout. Let me show you how to scan this. Scan any documents and get the results on your iPhone. Open the scan lid. Make sure that if there was a plastic protector on the scan lid, because it's a brand new printer, that you have removed it. Take your document, place it facing down with the top part of your document towards the right side, just like that. You're going to notice there is an arrow here. This means that we need to bring the document so that the corner of our document touches the arrow. So this is how a proper document is aligned on the scanner. Close the lid. And on the app, let me go back on the main menu. You're going to press scan. Here are a few options. So the document size you have input. Do you want to scan in color or black and white? You have resolution. I would suggest to leave it at 200 for any text documents or any files you wish to share. But if you want the best quality, you can select 600 dpi. Unfortunately, 600 dpi will also mean that the scanner will take longer to scan. At 200 dpi, it takes around 12 seconds. At 600 dpi, it can take almost a minute. So I don't suggest it unless you're scanning a painting or a picture that you want to keep all the details. And then you have other options that I don't suggest you change them. Apart over here, image format. You can select in which format you want the scan to be. Press the start button and it will start scanning. So here is the result, and this is not saved yet on your iPhone. You can delete it, you can crop, you can rotate it, press next. You can give this a new name, something more relatable. I would say homework 9. Okay, and then you're going to press the save button if you want to save the document on your iPhone. Select in which folder you want it to be saved and press the blue save button. If you want to share the results on social media or with one of your contacts, you're going to press this icon over here, the square with an arrow, and you'll be able to select with which contact or with which app you wish to send the scan to, like WhatsApp, Messenger, email, stuff like that. But overall, this is it. This is how you connect, print, and scan using your iPhone and your Epson ET-2803. Check my Amazon links in the description if you want to get replacement ink, replacement paper, or any other accessories compatible with this model. You also support my channel every time you buy through my links, and it doesn't cost you more. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.